looking for the comet Leonard, but the first thing that you notice is that it's close to a galaxy called NGC 4631 and 4627. They're considered as a double galaxy, and it's called also Whale Galaxy. It's visible just at the center, you can see it easy. The comet has not developed really a big coma, so it's not easy to see it. I've not been able to recognize it so far. Unless you do some photography, probably you can see a little bit coma, but I have not been able. And the size of the coma I don't think is more than a few arc minutes, probably 1 or 2 arc minutes. So it's quite tiny. And yeah, the size of probably less than the size of Jupiter at the moment. But the galaxy is very big, quite impressive. It looks like a faint fuzzy, a little bit elongated, almost like an image of the M81, with less structure visible, of course. And I'm using the Meade LX90 Advanced Coma Free with the HDC AMP HDC 20mm 100-degree eyepiece. As you can see, the moon is in the sky, so I don't expect with this to see the comet very easy, but it's surprising. You can see the NGC 4631. Hallelujah, I found it. It's quite big actually. It was a little bit toward the south of the southeast of it. South if there's a Whale Galaxy. It's quite large. I can see some colors, a little bit greenish. It has a relatively big fuzzy coma. The core is brighter, the nucleus, and I can see a faint tail, a very faint tail, like the faint tail of the Comet Neowise. It's amazing. It's quite big. It is very much brighter than the NGC 4631 Whale Galaxy. Whale Galaxy around magnitude 90.2. It must be magnitude 7 or 6 even. This is magnitude 7 or 6.5. The Comet Leonard. It's quite large. Oh, I'm going to watch it again. It is quite large with the tail. I can easily see the tail. It's a smaller version of the Comet Neowise, and the head also is very interesting. The nucleus and the coma. Okay, the field of view is the APM 20mm 100-degree. On the Meade LX90 8-inch, so that's the F number. I will just tell you later when I'm inside. And the field of view of this also will be clear. So it covers around 2/3 of the field of view. That's amazing. It's quite large. A lot of satellites also pass nearby. I mean, in the sky we see it, not in the near it anyway. So many litter space junk. Okay, today is the 25th, Thursday, 25th of November, and this was the only chance I had, because after that it will get cloudy, the weather in the UK, and this is the chance that you see it, and I'm really happy that I waked up. It is I waked up around 3 o'clock. It was cloudy, half cloudy, so I just waited another 1 hour, then it became clear, and now it's absolutely clear. I can see everything now. It's beautiful. And next time we will see it probably will be in December if the weather keeps like that. By then that will be magnitude 4, even brighter, because there will be backscatter, the light of the sun illuminating the ionic tail of this, and we can see actually ion tail of it brighter than what should actually be. And yeah, the light reflection beside that just tail all on its own also glowing. We will see a little bit brighter. Who knows, maybe magnitude 1 even. But by then it will be closer. Now look, at the moment it is around, this is horizon, and this is above here. So around, you can say 40 degrees above the horizon. And well, it may go a little bit down lower, but it will be easier visible. Okay, I'm now using the Panaview 38mm 70 degrees eyepiece. With the APM it was very clear, and I can see it also here, so it confirms. There is a bigger area than the coma around it, like a bow shock or something. And then there is the main tail is this way. Of course, this is in reverse in the Schmidt-Cassegrain. And there is another tail that way also. What is it, real or something I'm imagining? Any other observer can confirm or, refute this what I'm saying. The main tail is there, but there is another. There is a bigger halo than the coma, which is at the center, and then there is a little tail here this way also, very faint. And if you look carefully, there is another tail this way. I don't know. This is what I'm seeing. It can be a scatter, light scatter in this. It's not light scatter. I know what is light scatter. It's just, it's there. I can see it. The main reason that I chose tonight, of course, beside the weather and everything else, was that the coordinates of the comet Leonard was very close to the coordinates of the NGC 4631 Whale Galaxy. And by finding the Whale Galaxy, I could just go around it and just find that. And I did it, and I found it now this way. It's just slightly to the southeast of the Whale Galaxy, so it was easy. Otherwise I had to find the coordinates of the comet at that moment and give it to the handset of this GoTo telescope and just try to find it. Hopefully this was easy. I had a reference point, very easy. And the comet is moving actually. There was a star slightly to the left of it, and that star is now a little higher, and the comet has gone a little bit lower. That means the comet is moved, the star is not. We cannot in our lifetime see the movement of a star that easy. So that comet has moved. How long I'm watching this? Probably around 20 minutes to half an hour, if I've not lost track of time.